What's up, squad? My name is Dan Hasegawa, and on today's episode of iShinobi Reviews, I'll be reviewing cosplay contacts from TTDEYE.com. So you all have been asking a lot about the contacts I use for my cosplays, so I figured I'd put this video together to help y'all out. Firstly, I want to say I'm not being paid to do this review. However, TTDEYE did give me a discount code that I can pass on to y'all for 10% off. And when y'all do use that code, I will get a kickback of that. So if you'd like to support my channel and me as a creator, feel free to use that code. I'll drop the code probably right here. So use that code if you decide that you want to try some of their features. What the fuck? Yo, this shit cursed. I will put the code right here as well as the description below. You can get these in different prescriptions for your left and your right eye, which is pretty cool. I have decent vision. My eye doctor says that I have Sharingan level vision, whatever that means.
Very nice and shiny box. I like the box. That's some good packaging.
Also, on the back, it does give you directions if the lens dries out, gives you some precautions, warnings, how to care for the contacts, and instructions. I am still a noob at contacts, so this actually is pretty nice. Good job, TTDEYE. You have the contacts here and the different contents inside here as well. I'm gonna pull that contact out and I will figure out exactly what color that is. And this contact, oh nice! They come with contact holders with tweezers and I believe it's like a little hand, so you can stick the contact in your eye with that little hand. Cool. This is really random. Hold on, let me open this for you. Oh, that's actually really cute. I'm pretty sure I got this a while back, so this was actually supposed to be during Christmas time, so it's like a little reindeer, Rudolph. Oh, I've heard about these mirrors. They seem pretty cool. Handy. I'll definitely keep it in my makeup box. They've got their logo here. Mine actually has a crack in it, so that could have been from transport, but there's definitely a crack in there. And let's see what else we got.
It comes with tattoos. That's pretty cool.
Impossible is nothing. That's kind of nice, I guess. A little motivational note. And it's empty. All right, cool. And the box, that's pretty cute. Maybe I'll use that for birthday gift box later on. All right, so here's the other one. Pretty sure there are 4 different contacts that come in here, so I'm super excited. Scissors.
Oh, it's a big one.
Here we go, ready? Also, I really do like the holographic, like the foil look. Kind of trademarked it. They're definitely keeping that going along their line. I was not expecting this figure. That's adorable. Oh my gosh. I feel like this is pretty lucky. Luck of the draw.
More contact holders and 4 more boxes of contacts.
So out of 6 pairs, 2 of them have a sticker identifying what the contacts are. And the other 4, since I ordered them, I know what they are, but I don't know which ones are which.
Small detail, maybe y'all can be more consistent with the stickers. I think the stickers are a good idea.
Here's the moment of truth. I got another mirror. Let's see what kind of shape this one's in.
Oh yeah, no crack. That's some redemption, y'all. Say hi.
More tattoos. The circles are cool. Especially for you. It goes for 3 cents if you want to buy it somewhere, maybe. Especially for you with a rainbow. I like that. And then I'll open it up. And it says especially for you with a balloon that has a smiley face. Cool? Question mark. Some of the stuff is random, I'm not gonna lie. I think knowing that they add some of these small things, it's not like they're going an extra mile. It's more like they're going a football field's distance, right? So extra points for that. Cool, so I'm gonna put all this stuff up. And let's check out these contacts. I have a lot of contacts to try. There's 6 of them, and
My eyes are about to go through hell. I'm about to struggle, and you're about to watch, and maybe you can learn something.
This is about to be really interesting. I've already washed my hands, so here we go. Pro tip, cotton swabs. If you tear and you've got makeup on, you don't want to mess it up, cotton swab it away. These contacts are called Sharingan Sasuke. There's one. It looks freaking dope though. I guess this is pretty screen accurate. I'm pretty sure when you use Mangekyo, it's supposed to hurt a little bit. So this is normal. They got it perfect. At least once it's in there, it's pretty comfortable. You got this left eye. Alright, on initial response, there's a lot of detail in them for how small space they are. Yeah, it's pretty badass. The detail is really sharp. It's a good red. I'm gonna jump on over to the other camera, and then with better light, another close-up for y'all. These contacts are called Avatar Yellow. I can do this, right fam? Ooh. That is dramatic. That was actually pretty easy. Maybe I'm getting better. Maybe this one is just easier to put in. Ooh. Okay. Let me zoom in really fast. Alright, these are pretty dramatic. They were also easier to put in. I don't know why, but I like these a lot. These, again, are Avatar Yellow. Oh, yeah, these are cool.
Alright, I'm gonna go jump on the ring light and get some close-ups for y'all.
Okay, these were awesome. I'll most likely use these for Akali, an upcoming cosplay. These are the Mystery Red. Now, I actually highly recommend the Mystery series. I've used it for Naruto, I've used it for Overwatch Link, I've used it for Cloud to give you that dramatic color. Woo-hoo-hoo! First try! You can already see it's very vivid. I think I'm getting better, y'all. I'm still crying like a little meanie. Initial thoughts, very red. I like that it's very red. It does have some black texture on the outside, so it kind of adds contrast moving in. So it's a little bit dark rimmed, and then texture going in to less and less dark, and then you get the pupil. I'm gonna go test it out in front of the ring light. These are already super red. When I get in front of that ring light, they are going to be basically as vibrant as Darth Maul's double lightsaber, since there's two eyes. Alright, I'll be right back. These are the gridded white. I don't know what to expect. I might be a little impaired visually because I've heard it does kind of take some of your vision away, so I'm excited to figure this out and review it. Oh, that looks awesome. So yeah, I can still actually see. I can read the text on my screen. I can read the type of camera I'm using, the brand. So it kind of looks like I'm looking through some very, very thin, like silky fabric that is already translucent, but when you hold it up to your eye, it's easy to see through the little fibers. All right, let's do the second one. Here we go. I look creepy, and honestly, I like it. When I look around, I can actually see some of the grid, but only when I like move around. Otherwise, it's really, really cool. I feel like I'm the stereotypical, I have mind powers, and I just want to freak some of my friends out with this. I'm gonna go hit the ring light, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm actually in love with these eyes, like absolutely in love, but it was pretty tough to see directly in front of that ring light. The light is just hitting the white mesh and reflecting right in front of my eye, so it just almost whites out. But I did notice if I cupped my eyes around the ring light, it was really easy to see what I was doing. So outside, probably like maybe sunglasses or even a hat will help a ton. But these are like just striking eyes. At a distance, these contacts will freak someone out. And it makes me want to do Neji, maybe someone else that has like Byakugan from Naruto. Leave a comment with what you think I should use these contacts for, because I'm sure there's a ton of cosplay potential. I'm just not thinking of it. All right, I'm gonna take these out and move on to the next contacts. These are the Fire Dragon Red. Whoa, okay, I look like a creep.
If I forget to take these out, take a nap, and then wake up and look in the mirror, I'll probably poop myself.
Okay, so let's zoom this in. Wow, these have some crazy design in it. I do notice that they are slowly actually both going outwards, so they're not staying vertical. I guess if you're trying to freak someone out, these would be perfect, you know. You tell them a joke, they look the other way, they turn back around, and then you're horizontal on them. You know, really throw off their balance. I'm just gonna jump in front of the ring light and see how it looks on the close-ups. All right, I'll be right back.
I don't like them.
So I just got back from taking some close-up photos of these contacts, and when I saw myself in this mirror, I realized that they had almost completely shifted like this, and I look like a freaking alien. Either that or like a goat on drugs. It even freaks me out.
My dumb butt forgot to change the lighting before I got back in here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now. Hey Google, cyberpunk mode. That's better.
I'm gonna take these out. We've got one pair. I'm pretty sure they are elf green. So let's get on to it. Whew, these ones are kind of sexy. Time to go test it out. These are elf green, but they're actually very blue in this light. But if you look close, it goes from black to blue to green to kind of like a hazel or almost like a mustard, and then your own pupil. So there's a lot of dimension in this. This is something that, like, if you wear and someone's going in for a kiss, they might stop and appreciate the detail of your contacts. So, you know, I'll probably wear this more often on the daily.
Hey, how you doing?
Alright, well, we've come to the end of the first episode of iShinobi Reviews. Thank y'all so much for making it to the end. I also want to give TTDEYE a huge shout out. I appreciate you sending me these contacts so I can check them out. I can use them for my upcoming cosplays. I hope the video was helpful and maybe you learned something along the way. And maybe you even found some contacts for one of your cosplays. I'm going to leave y'all with a link. You can use that link to go to the website, and I'll also drop my discount code that you can use. If the video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also in the next episode of iShinobi Reviews, I'm gonna be reviewing this bad boy. It's an airbrush kit, and I've actually never used one, so I'm going to do an unboxing of this and maybe some test paints with it. I do have to order some paint and some cleaning supplies before I do that, but it's going to be on the next episode. So if you'd like to see the unboxing and the review for this bad boy, make sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss it. P.S. If there's something that y'all would like to see me review or unbox, make sure to drop a comment and let me know what y'all would like to see down below.